All right, what's up, everyone? This is Mike with the watch list video for Thursday, June 8th. The SPY kind of had a reversal day. I don't know. It's still, if you look at it, you had a 2-day run, and now we're in sideways chop. But going to 5-minute candles, um, I still haven't caught any flack for my fuchsia daily separation lines, but I still like them. Ran a little bit, but then sold up. But we're basically in a sideways consolidation the last few days. Nothing really interesting to talk about there, but I like to start off with the SPY, just so we can kind of take a look at the overall market. Overall, very, very strong market though. But again, fairly low summer volume. Wayne gave us UCAR, $9 second mouse. He gave us 25-cent risk idea, and right there, again, well, when trading our process, when a trade works, generally you get this, right? You get it where it works right away, because we're all about entering at the right time so you can be green almost right away, right? So great idea by Wayne. It had already hit 9 and broken it, so the second mouse gives you the earlier high as another potential catalyst, and certainly ripped. Neat call there. And I mentioned NGOL when people started talking about why it was running. Messi Messi going to Miami, but it was a rumor. And then I found a post on Twitter that said, it gave the time that Messi was going to talk. And so I sort of Tokyoed into it right here. People thanked me for MGOL because I put it on the room radar, but I never did make a call on it because I don't really, I'm not comfortable, making a call when there's a big event coming, and it could have gone either way, right? Messi could have said, "Hey, I'm going to Saudi Arabia," and then this thing just falls off the map. So anyway, it was a neat little call. I made a few bucks on it. It was nice. So anyway, I know people made money on MGOL. It's not me saying, "Hey, I gave a great idea," though, but I did kind of put it on the room radar, and I think some of you probably Tokyoed that as well. Anyway, let's just keep it. I'm running real late tonight. Let's keep it short and sweet. Farm, FARM, big volume. Closing in about the middle of its range, though, but whoops, I'm definitely going to watch it tomorrow. Let me try this for the third time. Yext, Y-E-X-T. Big breakout today, I believe, on earnings. Closing well off its highs, but big volume. Certainly worth keeping an eye on. Stitch Fix, which is SFIX. Another big volume popper that closed off its highs. Overall, the market was weak today on an intraday basis. BMR, had the gap up here. I think they threw it into the AI mix, right? Had the gap up, then just basically filled the entire gap. But then had a big day yesterday. Let me give you some numbers here. Yesterday's high was 385, and then today's high 328, kind of an inside day. Still have a lot of bag holders from up here. So let me just say I don't love this, but there it is on 15-minute candles. Let me try zooming in a little bit. So there was yesterday's big pop. When you had this topping tail, it looked like, okay, it's going to round trip. And then it had a nice secondary push. And then today had this push right here too that didn't exactly roll over. So as a day trader, I kind of want to have this on a chart. But also I don't love the chart because of the potential bag holder situation. FRZA, after the gap up here, then they had another gap and a big sell-off. Sold off today and then reversed to the upside. So it's holding up pretty well. I'm going to keep my eyes on it. AUR, let me pan out a little bit here. Just a nice breakout today. We'll see if we can follow through setup. BIG, kind of obscure, right? Because it's a really beaten up, ugly chart, but it did have a big pop yesterday and an inside day today. And today's high, let's see, 789 if that's accurate. Looks like it might be. And yesterday's high, 802. So certainly interesting back through 8 tomorrow. We'll see. MGOL. Already talked about this one. As far as the trade I got in it today, I think in after hours this thing went even higher, maybe to almost 3. But we definitely got to keep our eyes on that one. Big news today, so we're going to keep our eyes on that one. And then a couple more. Dish. Had a volume pop on this day, which was 4 sessions ago. Topped out at 786, and it's kind of coiling and working its way back up. Interesting, over that 786 level. And then this one, not really a chart setup. I would boil this down to, it's a recent high flyer and had kind of an ugly day today, but it's still holding up pretty well, right? So it's not really a chart setup. It's as simple as just an in-play stock that may give an A-plus setup tomorrow. But I feel like it needs to come back down maybe to the support area here, but we'll see. Anyway, it's on the chart. I'm not in love with this list, but hopefully we'll find some gappers to add to the list as well. And again, I'm kind of in and out as I've been saying. My mom's in town, so I'm kind of in and out, trying to trade and trying to visit at the same time. So if I can pop in the office and find something, I'll certainly share it. But anyway, that's enough for me. I'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.